exploring the world of output devices. Welcome back my YouTube channel Technical Skills. Today, we are going to dive into the fascinating world of output devices. These amazing gadgets play a crucial role when it comes to displaying the results of our devices in a visually appealing way. From monitors to projectors, this video has got you covered. Shot 1. Introduction to output devices. Have you ever wondered how do we see the output or results on our electronic devices such as computers, gaming consoles, or even smartphones? Well, this is where output devices come to play. Output devices are the mediums through which we can visualize the results from our electronic devices. Visual, a fast-paced video showing multiple electronic devices flashing visuals on various output devices such as monitors, TVs, projectors, and printers. Shot 2. Types of output devices. There are various types of output devices available in the market today. And, in this section, we will explore the most popular types out there. First up, we have monitors, the most common output devices used in almost every electronic device. They come in different sizes and types such as LCD, LED, and OLED, with various features such as refresh rates, response time, and resolution. Next in line, we have projectors. These fascinating gadgets come in various types and are used mostly in large areas such as conference halls, classrooms, or even your home theaters. The visual experience of projecting your favorite movie on a projector screen is simply unbeatable. There are also printers which play a very crucial role in providing us the hard copy of important documents, photos, or even plans. In recent years, the demand for 3D printers has also increased, which can create unique and complex objects in mere minutes. Visual, a dynamic video showing multiple types of output devices and their features, printing of an important document, and a visual showing a 3D printer creating an object. Shot 3. Factors to consider when buying output devices. When purchasing an output device, one should always consider various factors such as the usage, size, type, and compatibility. Depending on the usage, one can choose from a variety of output devices available in the market. For instance, if you are a graphic designer or a gamer, then a monitor with high resolution and refresh rates would be the best fit for your needs. Similarly, if you work in an office or a busy environment, then a printer with fast printing speed and large paper trays can come in handy. Visual, a video showcasing various output devices being examined based on various factors like size, color, papers holding trays, and resolution. Shot 4. The future of output devices. As technology progresses, newer and more exciting output devices are being introduced in the market. Smart projectors, foldable screens, and even holographic displays are just some of the things that have already hit the market. With time, we can only expect the output devices to become more compact, energy efficient, and visually enhancements. Visual, a video showcasing some production-based futuristic output devices such as a foldable screen laptop, smart projectors, and holographic displays.